A mother who just gives the abstract thing known as vibrations. Actually, I do not give you. I cannot give or take, you'll be surprised. It's just emitted through me. It is my swabhava. It has to be that way, I can't help it. It is a being that is being. You cannot make it something else. It acts on its own. It goes on working. It is beyond me to control myself from loving all of you. I do not know how people learn to hate. I haven't got sufficient time even to love people. I find 24 hours much less. I do not know how people sit down and manipulate and think in an ice-cold manner. How to be hateful. Hatred has no power but of destruction of yourself and others. I request you that you all should come to this stage of understanding the divine within you, the love of God that is within you, which is trying to overflow from you, and enjoy the sense of emitting and giving. Giving has the greatest joy and pleasure. There is no pleasure in taking. And when you receive it, you start giving. Everyone needs love in this world. You cannot exist without love. Your whole being is based on love. And I wish all of you in this country to understand that unless and until there is love in your heart, don't try to do anything outside. Because if you do it, you'll be found out in no time. Every human being understands what is love. There are lots of things that are happening within you. There are cosmic changes that are taking place today within you. I know that it's happening. The Sri Chakra itself has descended on this earth, and already the Satyuga has started. This is the reason why you are feeling these vibrations on your fingers. And none of these gurus and rishis and all those people have mentioned these things, because this is only possible when the Sri Chakra is brought down. It is here. You have to feel it and understand it. It is for all of you to accept it with an open heart. I do not want anything from you. What can you give me? I do not want anything, but I want my children to be happy. I pray for their happiness. I live for them. And all the time, whether I am asleep or awakened or in the middle stage, when they call this a Bhranta, I am just with you. Every moment you are in my life.